This is Wong Shenlong, and we're building mediapipe TensorFlow based AI solutions to turn you into a dragon. And we're looking at a SushiDragon stream, and we're running a C++ code on our CPU to do face tracking. And we're doing some small changes. We made the eyes yellow, made the dots black. Made the connections green. So now we're going into the C++. And it appears to be here, landmarks to render data calculator. That's right where we are. And this is a calculator, and in mediapipe, a calculator is used to do all the work, and this is actually rendered data. So it's doing the rendering, I think. Let's see, let's look for GL. Well, I guess it's just generating the data. How can we tell what it inputs and outputs? Get contract. Oh, that's so nice. That's so lovely to have a contract-based testing. Okay, there's SushiDragon. See, it's tracking it pretty good, I guess. And I guess we did change red dots to black. Remove dots. And we're using NeoVim and Emacs. Oh, there's the SushiDragon. It's tracking it pretty good. This is like such a hinky setup. This is like my iPad. I can't get it to focus. It's terrible, but sorry. This is like the first time we're getting this on. I think instead I'll like download video and get a situation with video. If you look at where we were, this is like the actual run thing that runs the program. And so that's the C++ that's actually running it. It's pretty nice, pretty modern C++. How's the audio, by the way? It looks like I have somebody is listening. That's so amazing. Please say something, or if you like, whatever, or lurk. It's fine. I lurk on a lot of streams. Oh, look, interesting. I think it's good enough for like a dragon effect. I already took off like the whole face, but like there's a lot. they give you the face oval too, so you could maybe estimate. And then where were we? We were in face render GPU, and this is a.
There isn't a producer in my head to feed me lines, so I'm just literally going through my whole thoughts and kind of trying to construct them
There isn't.
into words. Which, you know me, not really my strong suit. My strong suit is the button pressing. Yeah. Like, dude, I've been pressing buttons since. So what song you want to play? Can you play the good song? I like the good song. Yeah, I'm finding that one. It's right here. It's right here. It's look, check out proximity. But yeah, I'm a legendary editor. I'm not really in that. I'm not really in. It's weird in effects a lot, but hey, that's the producer fault. That's my fault. Okay. Where is that playlist? I can't find that playlist. Okay. Stay cool. Stay cool. Stay cool. Find the playlist. We need a hotkey for that playlist. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Found it. Found it. Okay, here we go.
Cool.
Okay, we're gonna listen to the next proximity free song. Okay, drop.
Alexa, what's the date?
Touchscreen technology. Boom.
Today is Wednesday, July 29th.
All right, I need a live edit. Get my brain turning. My brain train.
Oh, it doesn't do upside down very well. Interesting. Guess that's not in the model. Should be easy to train to add more things as well. You can see when it has the box. That box means it's trying to find it, and I guess it's like the accuracy. Should look into that some more. It's really a super amazing framework, this mediapipe. You can just put everything all together in a graph, and they figured out a lot of the issues with putting media elements in a graph. It's pretty cool. There you go. There you go. Doesn't care. Yeah, you see when people put their face to their hands, then it distorts it. It's just like, you just need more training data. Like they probably just like, you can tell from like the paper or like from the website. I should read the paper too, that they just did a lot of data collection right on site for this. This is just like their free one. Should be possible to just like collect arbitrarily large amounts of data with just like position trackers and cameras and just like a green screen. Like you should be able to just kind of let somebody dance and let it go, let it collect data, and then it should get better and better, and then eventually you'll be able to start taking off the markers, the position trackers. Yeah, and this is running live C++. This is media pipe. I'm running that program up in the top that says media pipe is like really running. And you could see that on the GPU here. Here's our GeForce RTX 2070 over here. And pretty cool, although I have 0 case fans actually. So even with that, I have like one Noctua cooler, and then I have a 2070. Before that, it was 37, and now I guess 47. That's like not bad at all. And that's with. So I guess like, what do we see over here? Like, face mesh GPU, 30 megs of GPU usage, but how much memory do we have? We have a lot more than that, right? So what if we optimize that instead of for like mobile, which they probably did, just have like a really huge network. Does it say how much memory? Oh, 8 gigs. 8 gigs. And we're using 3, so we could use more. So that might be something to try. That would be something interesting to look at. And this is just a Core i5, so I tried to get something not too extreme. So let's go back to TheSushiDragon. And so that's what this is calculating. This is like C++ here. That's calculating on the TheSushiDragon. And it's doing a pretty good job. This is on the GPU. This is just the standard mediapipe, just from the mediapipe website. And we're just running a C++ program, and it's running on the GPU over there. And we have a super janky setup with my iPad here. Just so we're collecting data, testing face mesh. So here's what we're doing. This is the current one that we're doing, is testing face mesh on the TheSushiDragon stream. And we did some already, so done. And we've made some like quick changes. That was pretty easy. We just changed that. So that was just here in the main GPU. And I changed this here to 27. It's pretty good. We want to like the goal is this one. This is what we're trying to do. Yeah. See? He's already doing it. That's all like Snapcam. And that's great with Snapcam, but Snapcam is pretty CPU intensive. On my little MacBook Air, recent Air, it's just like unusable. It's completely unusable. And so that's our goal. And let's go back here. So this is what we did today. We just changed this. This was slightly different. Magit status. Is that how you do it? Oh, I should figure out how to use Magit. Yeah, here's what I did. That was pretty straightforward. Wow, it tracks him really well compared to things on the video. That's good to see. I should figure out why my Git is not so pretty. Oh, I really appreciate everyone watching. It's so nice. Thank you. No matter who you are, it could be a bot, anything. Thanks. So we're looking at some C++ here, and this is the main runner. And it's like a little challenging when you're looking at this. It's Bazel. If you've heard of Bazel, it uses these build files. So if we look for, like, the command that we're running is face mesh GPU. So if we look for face mesh GPU, then we can see that it's only in the markdown and in this build file. And what's that? Well, that's the Bazel build files YAML mode. YAML is fairly nice with it. And yeah, it says face mesh GPU. And so it runs this demo run graph main GPU. That's the runner. And then it uses this graph. And then it makes a binary. Oh, Linux only. Oh, lovely. Nice that I'm using Linux then. Yeah, and you can see it's tracking him. So that's that demo run main GPU. And it runs it with face mesh GPU. So that's the binary name. And then some kind of magic that it uses. It'd be interesting to see what the main build file looks like as well. Oh, hi, Ned. How are you doing today? What do you think? I made some progress. I did this. You can see my done list over here. Things that I'm done. Hey. And this is, so I didn't remove them, but I changed them to black. Oh, you can see it detects something in the wall there. Oh, there it goes. Oh, interesting. He's already trained himself to kind of move so that it detects the face. So that should make it easier. I'm having trouble with my hacky setup, Nad. Oh, thank you, Nad. You're very sweet. That's very sweet. Yeah, see, it tracks him pretty good, eh? I took off the face oval as well. Oh yeah, so here's the main Bazel build file. Bazel's great. Bazel's amazing. It works on all platforms and it's really good with cross platforms. It's really great. It's really great, but it's really complicated and pretty terrible too. But like, it's great. It's great. How's the audio? I figured things out. I figured some things out. I had to go to a settings tab. Turns out the settings are important. CV, what's CV? Open CV. Oh, lovely. Open CV webcam frames into a media pipe graph. Oh, that's what this is then. Oh, no wonder it's so easy. This example requires a Linux computer and a GPL with EGL support drivers. That was challenging for sure, but we got that. Wow. Wow. Oh, hey, mine detected that too. There you go. Run MP graph. Okay, let's look for CV. Oh. Okay, well, that's easy then. Okay, lovely. That's pretty easy to do. Wow. So cool. Does pretty good even with pretty poor input.
Oh boy, this guy needs some help. Oh, sorry. Hello. We have Chrissy Constanza. And your boy Egon. Yeah, thanks for dropping by. Thanks for dropping by the Ben Sneak Peek viewing party extravaganza. Yeah, that's the title of it. It's a little picture
Okay,
of
is that too meta?
construction fighting.
Then that's
Don't worry about it.
George Hotz, Geo Hotz. This is where I meant to go.
Guest house. Give it up for the guest of the guest house. Or should I say the host of the guest house?
I think we should collect some more data though. But let me know if you see anything you want to see more of the C++. Oh, oh wow. Oh. It finds it really fast. It's quite fast. And that's all GL, OpenGL. So I guess the next thing we need to do is do open frameworks as well. And then if we did open frameworks too, then I wonder how hot my audio is. If we did open frameworks then as well, then that would be cool. Then you could do some pretty advanced graphics and then have all of that in C++. So probably what we should do is have some like way to get the data out and then put it in an open frameworks, but then put that all in the same executable. Like eventually we can separate it out, but just to make our lives easier. And we're like almost there. Or we could just maybe even just use this. Like, I don't know if we need open frameworks since we have like, we're just drawing everything. How about instead just like abstract that away? Just abstract away the actual drawing to some metadata, and then can you like output that from like Blender or something or Unity? I don't know. I think I'm going to need help from somebody who knows like game engines. I don't even really know. I just want it to be like the easiest way. I guess like one way, and they already have that, is just UDP. Maybe I should just like stream it UDP to my Windows box and have a blender there. Just control that. I guess the first thing I should do is like do the mouth thing here. And I think I can do all of that in directly in MediaPipe. And then we just need to do the mouth, and then we just need to do the flame coming out. And like we could even just like demo it and do things just like on this stream. Collect some data from like, because he often has like the expectation and reality. Although usually that's from a high angle, but just want to help him, just want to make cool stuff. This is all volunteer work, all for fun. No, nothing serious, just having some fun. Enjoying working with my GPU. And this is the C++ over here, the GPU buffer. Run in geocontext. MP return if error. So a pretty tiny file. 2019. It's really modern as well. Very recent. GPU calculator framework. OpenCV high GUI. Oh, the high GUI. Oh, I remember that. That's the moderately terrible OpenCV GUI builder. It's not so bad. Pretty easy. All the OpenCV is very straightforward to use. And pretty nice, pretty good. Very good, extremely good. Of course, it wouldn't be like the standard. Is that too loud? Sorry. Blowing out your ears. I'm still learning. And I guess what's the next thing that I should work on? I really want to make the eyes solid yellow. So that would be nice too. It'd be nice to have it as an input. But I think for this one, I can do a hack and just figure out how to download the file and then just input the file, and then it'll be like logical. Much better. And it does support that. MediaPipe does support that. This one has, yeah, it's even just right here where my cursor is. Input video path. Output video path. Show result in a window. Oh, cool. Just so nicely done. Very, very nice. One nice thing is the... Oh, I'll turn this down. One nice thing is that it's all 80 columns wide. Oh, this also shows something really nice about Emacs. It's this command palette. They adopted that in VS Code as well. And you just like search for it. And then you don't have to remember the weird key press like you do in VI. And the nice thing is like it'll actually even tell you if there's a key press in this helm. So it's lovely. Yeah, you can see 77. 78. That's it. It's like a rule. And that's great. Then you can like look at it like this. I bet there's some like old Unix neckbeards at Google who mandate that, but it's lovely. It's great. They relax it with Java, of course. And I think for this project, we should definitely have coding standards. I think actually I'm going to go put that in soon. It's just getting started. It's still super.
Proximity? How do you do it? Okay. Sorry. How you doing? Okay. All right. We have.
Even with my super sketch setup, it's kind of working.
By the way, thank you to the bad guys for coming in such last minute. I'm such a last minute person. All right. So this is how we know we watch the videos. Thank you so much for your work. How do you do it?
Set GPU resources.
We have. Okay. We have.
Video capture.
Oh, I haven't seen their package.
Load video.
Their package.
Okay.
And we gotta see their video.
And then the other place we were looking, there was, ooh, what happened there? Oh, wow, full screen. Exciting.
Oh, damn! It's so cool to see Austin. It's so cool to see Austin in such high production value. Story time. Oh my goodness, what am I looking at? Story time. I was in Austin's show 2 years ago, twice. Yeah, let's talk about it. Basically, I was a contestant. I lost. But then I won. So let's see what he can do. And when I was on his show last time, it's on a VOD. I said, dude, you're amazing. I can't believe I'm so impressed. And you got to give it to yourself. And he was like, being all humble. No, 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 no. It's all the people around me. And he's right. It's definitely the people around you that can help elevate your imagination. So thank you, Ben, for helping me elevate and conceptualize the
chat to vote. Your fate now lies in their hands. Austin, what is she getting into nearby? Welcome to Dare Package.
Oh, dude, you're loving this? That's, can I be on this show as well? I will 1000% eat a cockroach and just hate it, but we'll do it for content, 1000%. Cuffalo comes in with $5. Boom. Boom. This production quality is insane. Keep up this wild work. That's a Korean heart finger. If anyone didn't know, thank you so much for the love. Thank you for $5. Thank you for the work creating once again. Alexander Zero, 200 bits. Mad Rogers, 500 bits. Arigato, 31 subs. Thank you again. All right. That was insane. Is Austin in here? Is my boy Austin in here? Hold on, let me check. No way. This guy's too busy running like 5,000 shows. Oh! Dude, what's up? Yo, Austin, what? Dude, what's Dude, that's so crazy, dude. Okay, dude, alright, dude, I'm good. Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? What's up? Thanks, Libin, for the ride. Alright, let's, have a seat. Let's have a seat, come. Can you be even more awkward? Sorry. Dude, how do you do it, man? How do you run, the last, yeah. So, that was, honestly, I was excited to see that. How do you do it? Oh, me? I obviously I don't. I like to hide the things that are broken using awkward silence. And then it just became kind of my personality. But then you don't hide the technical. You hide it. Well, I can't tell. This is what he does. He goes like this. Just let it all out, and then you're just like able to breathe again and just talk and just do your thing. Like Austin's like the one guy in Twitch that I know just like he tries to do it all as well. Yeah, that's what it does amazing work at it, 1000%. I was on his show twice. The first thing I said about him was like, dude, how do you, I don't know if you remember that conversation, but I was like, dude, I love your stuff. I can't believe you're doing this. It's impressive work. And you were being all humble and be like, oh no, it's not me. It's just my moderators. Trust me, I know how much work it does. I try to do it myself sometimes and a little break down sometimes, but tonight we're doing great. Tonight we're doing great. We got a good flow, and we're gonna go right. We're gonna yeah. Dash said to enjoy the silence. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we're enjoying the silence tonight. Hold on. Let's continue to enjoy the silence. What the fuck? Where did that bear come from? So like I said, man, I turned the technical difficulties into content. Okay, well, we have one more trailer to show, and then I have to go on a technical rehearsal at 3. So we have gray area. We have gray area, ladies and gentlemen, gray area.